everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video I am going to show you some Shabby chic style craft designs with decoration tips. Some dye project designs for Shabby chic style decoration ideas. There are many past home decor styles out there that are still popular among the different generations around the globe. Some certain previous decor style have the biggest fan clubs like the vintage decor style, farmhouse style and the Shabby chic interior decor style. The Shabby chic interior decor style, invented in the late 1990s, and the only purpose of it was to bring the romantic past again to modern living style, and hence you will see all the fantastic past memories highlighted in the special interior decor style. So, if you are also a big fan of Shabby chic or cottage style and are willing to incorporate to your home, then you will find here all the smart ways here to do so. Just for a comprehensive help, we have brought here these Shabby chic home decor ideas and projects for you that will definitely help you to make outstanding Shabby chic decors at home without getting expensive. Here you will also learn that how to buy the expensive materials to make the costly looking Shabby chic decor or stuff. And at the same time you will also get the tricks or the trade to transform the things and objects that you already have into engaging looking Shabby chic decors. Make chicken wire jewelry holder. Here is the perfectly cute and functional idea to organize your used jewelry collection by saving yourself a lot of time and money. Using cheap wooden picture frames and chicken wire, you can easily create these super Shabby chic pieces to super sub beauty and organization of your room space. Die chopper pipe and wood slice table. Imagine this beautiful copper pipe and the wooden slice made side table to be added in your space and let you enjoy the gorgeous Shabby chic touches in your shapes. In your space, just cut out 2 slices out of the wooden logs and then make it 2 self copper pipe stand to hold the logs, and then let your pretty pots and vases rest on it. Diaphragm jewelry and chairing organizer. You can bring this vintage frame from any yard sales and add some chicken wire to it, and you got the perfectly gorgeous and functional jewelry organizer for your space to navigate your earring interlaced to each other. The frame has been stained in burnished gold that brings the Shabby feel to this lovely jewelry organizer. Die Shabby chic lampshade. Girls love pink, and here is how you can bring some pink beauty to their room decor that too, in a rich decor style with this frosty lampshade to stand on her room's nightstands. The cute little roses have been made out of the pink fabric strips, and the lampshades have been covered all with them, and thus they make it look so full of sapphire appeal. Never get an old and worn out furniture pieces get slippage out of your hands, as you can avoid them the perfect beauty makeovers and enjoy some sabbatic touches. Being in your modern home decor, this old fresh almori has been made to look so vintage and beautiful, with the blue and white paint being nicely put all over it. Messenger's Planeter box for Mother's Day. I'm sorry, Messenger Planeter box for Mother's Day. All the mothers love the things that display some sabbatic beauty of the vintage apparel, and it hints at the great idea of a gift for the Mother's Day. And here is the one. The wooden cabby has been to hold the cute messenger planeters inside, and thus make a beautiful gift that she can use to boost the decor for her room. How to build a scarf wood hut. If you are left up with some scarf wood pieces, then here it is most gorgeous and fun idea of recycling them for the home decor betterment. Yes, the wooden hair shapes has been cut out of the wooden board, and then the scarf pieces have been attached the cut of the perfect look with the sabbatic standing in the light blue. Dye vintage blue bottles. A touch of sabbatic style in your modern home decor can add some warmth and love to the beauty of your spaces, and here is how you can do this with these blue vintage bottles. Yes, these blue bottles have been turned into the pretty vases to hold the adorable pink flowers, and thus create the perfect vintage beauty to your space. Easy dye lip pencil holder. Even the little and the common things of the house can help you to bring the perfect sabbatic appeal to your spaces, just like these pencil holders for the table or the desk display. The holders have been covered with the burlap warp, embellished with creamy cocoa shade flower and the Robinson, and thus add odors of charm to your space. The Dream Character Delight. A dream catcher cannot be anything but whimsy, beautiful and fully of sabbatic style, and here is the idea of making on your own and arouse the decor level for your porch with easy and adorable supplies like the ribbons in white like peaches, feathers, and the rope peaches. You can easily install the gorgeous dream creator for your funky home decor displays. Diaphragms country terracotta pots. Not only interiors but the outdoor spaces of your house can also be alternated with the pretty and sabbatic style decor. And the terracotta pots can be used for the purpose. Yes, you can paint the terracotta pots in various vintage shades like blue, turquoise, whites, and more, and the two using the dry brush technique to bring out the rough look. The Shabby chic chin can, like centerpieces. You can add the perfect beauty and vintage style to the baby shower that you are organized next for your